Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Deco mesh wreath from one of these 8-inch wreaths from the Dollar Tree. So the 8-inch wreaths come in a 2-pack, which is great. So I already have some of these cut from a last mesh that I did that I had left over. So that is great. So let me just pull these out real quick. Everything we're using comes from the Dollar Tree, so this is going to be awesome. All right, so this is what it looks like whenever it's cut up. I'm gonna be upset if this all fits on one. So we're only making one today, and then the thing that's gonna be holding them together are these pipe cleaners from Dollar Tree. And they have like the Halloween colors. So I've got this, they have a black, and then they had a multi-color pack, which is what I'm finishing right now. So I'm just gonna make one real quick. So what we're going to do is you cut these up about 8 to 9 inches long per mesh. I like to make them have like little tails like that. Then you bunch them up. You grab one of your pipe cleaners, and I really like that they had this one because it matches my mesh so you can't see it. And then we're going to twist the back. Okay, now we're going to start putting on the wreath. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it in this ring right here and then turn it on the back and twist. So that's how it's gonna start looking. So I'm gonna see how many I can get from the ones I did last time. So when you cut it, you just roll it like this. It's kind of sticky, so it stays in place like that. But they've been in this bag for a while, so some of them came undone. And I do 3 per bundle. Some people do more. For my big wreaths, I do a combination of ribbon, but for this tiny wreath, I am not going to do ribbon. But the good thing about this is if you choose to later on, you can always just move these and then add or take away. So if you want to add ribbon, or if I want to add ribbon after we're done, I can totally add ribbon. Bye. Bye-bye. I've seen a lot of people ask why or how to make it not fray. I kind of like the look, and once you're done, you can always take scissors to it and cut the fray parts. I'm starting to think we're going to need more than 6 bundles, probably 10. I've been trying to sell them, but apparently everybody and their mom has decided when they see something that they can do it. So they'd rather try it than spend money on them already made, which is totally fine. Sucks for me because I've got a ton of these already made that I'm trying to get rid of, and I have at a severely discounted price compared to what people on Etsy are selling them for, people on the marketplace are selling them for. I don't know what's up. If you don't like this method, you could always use floral wire like this. and you can get that at the Dollar Tree as well. And that is $1 for 50 feet, which I used for my burlap wreath in that video. So I've got tons of it left. So I thought about if I ever sell these. Are you leaving? Bye. You taking the dogs for a walk? Bye. If I ever sell these, I thought about trying to make it with the floral wire just to see how that works, or trying a whole different method. Okay, so you get the point. I'm going to do this really fast, faster, so this video is not 30 minutes long. I'm literally on the last thing. I just wanted to bring this up. Whenever you're unrolling this, you'll have this tape left on it. And to make it not mess up the whole mesh, you need to pull from the mesh instead of, oh, well, I guess the other one already came off. Because if you try to pull it from this, it will unravel the whole thing. So this is our last one. I counted up how many I did per ring, and then I realized that I overstuffed. So when I did the 14-inch wreath, you would do six bundles, and there were 6 sections. So the first one I did 10. I'm not gonna take them out. They're already in there. They're already cut. So then for the last ones, I did not do 10. All right. So this is finished. Oh no, here's that tape. There we go. And so, like we use pipe cleaners, and so you can see them right here. You can either cut them or you can just twist them like this to make them not stick out. But this is the back of the wreath anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But I love these wreath forms because they have an upper ring so you can hang the hanger with. And there's another thing that you can do too. So I saw somebody do this, and I'm actually going to show you that way. So obviously you can make wreaths like this for wreaths, or I saw someone do this on Facebook, and I think you'd need a bigger one. But anyway, it's got a big hole, and you can put a candle in the middle. It's so cute. And so, you can change that up per season just like that. So that's so cute. I just thought I wanted to show you there's 2 ways you can do that. So I'm going to go hang this up. I'll hang it up on a hanger real quick just so you see the size comparison of the 8-inch, which this one is the 8-inch, compared to the 14-inch, and I'll end our video.